Guys, it's Forever Looney here, and today we will talk about how we can get financial freedom. But beforehand, let me just explain to you guys how money comes in. Alright, let me just give you a simple scenario. Back then, in the days where there is no money, the Stone Age era, people are moving around, people are, hunting out for food, and yet there are people that is lazing around at home. What they do is they just walk around the homes, they don't cook, they go to the sea, wash up and all these things. And then there's this hardworking people, they go to the forest, they go to the sea, they hunt for fishes, they hunt for food, they hunt for any things that is edible by humans, like berries and stuff like that. So back then, all these hardworking people, they come back and then they share the fruit with everybody. Alright, because they got everything and then they share the food with the whole village, and then people start to eat. And then all these people all those lazy people, they will definitely come out and eat, right? And all these people are so kind-hearted that they decided to hey, we can share with them and stuff like that. So they have been spending almost half of their life in lazing around and stuff like that. What makes you think that at the age of 20, when you ask this person to, hey, it's time to construct a house, think about how you can construct a house and stuff like that, and then he knows how to do it? He will definitely not know how to do it, right? You definitely have to taught him. You definitely have to teach him, and then you got to really bring him and guide him to how to use it. So that's when a smart person came out with the idea called money. So when all these people are coming back from hunting, right, they will have to put out the food to sell. And then all these people that are coming to take the food are supposed to give them money to reward them, saying that, hey, you did a good job hunting, thank you for giving us food and stuff like that. So people start to have all this transaction going on, and it will really set all these lazy people to start working for money, because that's when they have a goal. They know that in order to live, we need money. And through the period of time, money becomes something like a necessity. And throughout all this economic crisis, that all these teenagers, all these young adults that are out there, when you all start to get money, you guys will be like, yeah, it's definitely something that I need, and I have to have a bunch of them to stay alive and stuff like that. But however, it's not this case. Okay, so now that we know how money originated, how can we get financial confidence? Okay, note that I do not use this term called financial freedom, because you will never get financial freedom, even though you are net worth of very high money. But however, we do not know whether all this money belongs to that particular man, or this amount of money belongs to that particular company and stuff like that. But however, I do know that if you want to get financial freedom, you got to work hard like them, and you're capable of giving half of your asset or 70% of your asset or whatever amount of your asset to the charity and stuff like that. All these people believe in paying it forward, and therefore this is something that we should learn from them. Alright, so let us just talk about how we can get into financial confidence. So since we know how money came and how money is originated, it's actually man-made, correct? Man-made. So we can use man-made material to help us get money, so we can get money to work for us instead of us working for money. And the best part is actually we can work for money at the same time making money work for us, which is taking investment and stuff like that. Not only just investment and stuff, some people, they play around with debt. They are capable of buying a car and selling a car at a price where they are able to actually get more money back. Alright, I have a friend, he's doing car dealing. He's able to buy a car at a price and at the same time sell it off to get profit. And I do not know how. Even though when he's selling the car at a lower price, he's getting profit. I really have no idea how he's capable of doing that. But there are ways. Alright, there are ways. There are definitely ways for you to do that, because we have technology, right? We have computers. Computers are man-made. We can use computers to generate more information, more knowledge, to learn. And this is why we are capable of using money to help us get more money. We are able to use money to help us get more money by investing, by finding the right people to invest this money in, by finding businesses to invest in. Right, you are capable of doing investment in business. Reason being is because there's a lot of people out there that are asking for investment, like Kickstarter, all those other people, and then also there is this angel investor, stuff like that. You also have your friends trying to enterprise, you can invest into their business. But however, my strongest command that you want to do that is you must have a call, or you must have all the updates that is happening in this company itself. I've seen a lot of people investing into companies, and companies falls due to poor management, poor poor employee working inside there and stuff like that. So you guys have to be able to have a call instead. Like if you find out that there's anything happening in the business that is going wrong, you are able to actually make amendments. You are able to tell them that, hey, you got to change this and that. We got to pivot ourselves and move into a different direction and stuff. So we are capable of doing that with authority. Alright, if you do not have authority over things and you do not have power over how this money is gonna help you make money, then I feel like this is a poor investment. That is something that nobody will want to go in. This is something that nobody will do it. Even the richest person out there, they know that they are not gonna invest in things like that. It's just like what Warren Buffett said. He says that since he has a technical skill set in a certain investment company, he do not go into others. Like for example, maybe technologies and stuff like that. He do not go into them, like Bitcoin and stuff. I mean, a lot of people out there are saying that Bitcoin is not regulated. Do not go into it. But because like what they said in their previous books and stuff like that, do not invest in something that you do not know. But however, invest into something that you are interested in. All right. So when you know how you're able to do all these things, you are able to get into a state of financial confidence. Reason being is because you know that money is coming in. Like for me, if I know that every month I'm getting $2,000 employee salary pay, and then I'm getting another maybe $100 coming in from dividend and stuff like that, I will tell myself that I have $2,100, how much should I save, how much should I spend, how much can I spend, and all these things, right? And then you are able to actually better finance manage yourself, which means in terms you are getting financial confidence. That's why some of your friends are able to buy watches that are super expensive, they are branded and stuff like that, and some of the friends, they don't even want to buy watches. Alright, you get some of the friends that are able to change their desktop every single year, but however you want to use them like 3 to 5 years and stuff like that. Right? So this is how you actually can manage your financial and stuff. You are able to get confidence, and whenever you are spending, you know that next month the money is going to come into your bank and you are able to have money through the next month. Right? So yeah, pretty much I've come to the end. By knowing money, by choosing how you are able to finance manage yourself, by getting a financial planner, giving you a lot of power, authority to buy the things you want. Like for example, I love watches. I spend a lot of money on watches, but however, I finance manage, and I know that by the end of next month I still have money coming in, even though without having a job, without having any source of income. I know that I'm able to buy it and still survive the month, right? So that's when I can able to play around with my investment and okay, maybe I can buy a watch, yeah, something like that. Hey, hi guys, my name is Prabal Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video. Alright, if you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel. Okay, share with your friends on Facebook. I'm gonna put out all these videos every social media accounts that I have. Alright, like this video, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.